Hello everyone. Today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a UI UX course training program by Quality Thought, and it's an overview about the UI UX design and course module. And if we go down, it's a 90 days duration program and 4.6 rating on Google and 4.7 rating on Trustpilot. According to me, if you want to believe on the Trustpilot rating because Trustpilot ratings are good. Google rating can be fake also. So it's a good rating. And these are the key highlights about the UI design and user experience, hand-on practice tools, real-world projects are there. And if we go down, these are the key features: center design approach, usability testing, responsive and mobile design, important topics covered, and career support and job option is there. Skills covered is user research analysis and visual design. Responsive design is there. Design system is also there. Interaction designs, visual designs, wireframing, prototyping, all the important aspects are covered. And if we go down, exclusive training are there, job-oriented program is also there, internship option is also there, eligibility, introduction, AI tools are also there, wireframing and prototyping with AI integration is also there, visual design is also there, and if we go down, these are the testimonials, job-oriented program is there. Overall, it's a good course, like they have covered all the fundamentals, but they didn't mention any detailing about the tools they are going to teach, like Figma, Space, Sketch, and all. So it's a good course. If we give a rating according to these parameters, it's a 1 for structure, it's a 1 for fundamentals, 1 for quality, it's a 0 for case studies as no projects is there. Tools and software training is also 0 because I'm not aware about the tools what they are going to teach. So mentorship and feedback is there. Portfolio development is not there. Placement and career support is there. Course value speed is 0.5 as it didn't mention any specific tool related to UI UX, and few fundamentals are missing in terms of UI design quality. Overall, the page of the course is not looking good as per the UI UX course. So it's a 0.5. Industry relevant update is also a 0.5. So if we count down total, it's come to 6 out of 10. So it's an average course. You can go with this if you want to on a beginner level, not on an advanced version. So this course is okay. But I think again there are many better course in the market, which covers all the weightage related to UI UX fundamentals and cover all the theory part related to UI UX and also provide the placement and mentorship. You can go with that. Also, I will add the best UI UX course according to my recommendation, which covers all the weightage in terms of fundamental, in terms of software training, in terms of mentorship, also helping placement and support after the completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check from there. Or if you have any doubt related to portfolio development, related to course option, you can definitely drop your comment. Thank you.